Welcome to the official relaunch of PD for the Soul. I'm your host, Lanisha, and I'm thrilled to have you here as we embark on this journey together. Before we dive into all the exciting things I have planned for this space, let me take a moment to introduce myself. I've been working in education for 7 years, and over that time, I've had the privilege of wearing many hats: classroom teacher, instructional coach, curriculum coach, and all-around math enthusiast. My passion lies in making math accessible and empowering educators and students to see its beauty, practicality, and its power. But I'll be honest, sharing my years of experience has always come with a great deal of hesitation. Expertise is usually associated with years of experience, and I didn't want to have to justify why I belonged in the room. However, I am embracing my journey. Ever since I arrived in this field, I wore my passion for it on my sleeve. I dove in head first, and a lot of great things have happened. I've had students reach proficiency who weren't projected to be proficient, whose parents didn't even think it was possible. I've helped my grade level exceed growth, which impacted my school. I've helped students who didn't see themselves as math people realize their potential and shock themselves with their accomplishments. I've had teachers experience aha moments by uncovering connections they didn't realize were there. Every step along the way hasn't been perfect, though. I've had challenges with students, with assessment results, with teachers I've supported, but I never let those challenges stop me from doing what I came to do. So it's time that I hold my head high, stop second guessing myself, and realize my impact. Now that we've addressed the elephant I've held on to, let's get back into it. I am working on my second master's, and this podcast will serve as a space where I'll share some of the things I'm learning, as well as my reflections on how those ideas play out in a real classroom. This isn't just a monologue, it's a conversation. I eagerly welcome feedback, questions, and dialogue with you, the listeners, if you want to connect more deeply. I love to have you join the Math Collective. You can find the link in the episode description. Once you're in, you'll have access to my email and the chance to be a part of a growing community of educators, math lovers, and lifelong learners. Now let's talk about what you can expect from this podcast. Each Sunday morning, I'll release a new episode, your dose of PD for your soul to start your week. This will be a space where we keep it real, discussing what's happening in classrooms and what's possible, from the triumphs to the challenges. We're going to tackle it all. And there will be guests from time to time, educators, thought leaders, and even students, to join me in exploring strategies that work. The goal? To find practical, not overwhelming solutions that can make a real difference in teaching and learning. So whether you're an educator looking for fresh ideas, a parent wanting to support your child's learning, or just someone passionate about the world of education, this podcast is for you. Thank you so much for tuning in to this relaunch episode. And since you're here, go ahead and check out episode 1. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss a beat. And if you got a question, a topic idea, or you just want to say hi, click that link to join the Math Collective and connect with me directly. I can't wait to share this journey with you. Until next time, keep making math happen.